Hello, I'm Mrs Lapodovan. I'm Head of Sociology and Psychology at Rugby High, and this is Mrs Mukrambindo, who's one of our psychology teachers. We're here to tell you what A-level psychology is and why you should consider taking it when you join in Year 12.
So I'm just going to tell you about what psychology is. So it's the scientific study of thought and behaviour, and the four main goals of psychology are to describe, to explain, to predict and to change the behaviour and mental processes of others. There are many subfields such as human development, health, sport and other things that you might not even think go well together. And unlike other sciences, psychology doesn't claim to know everything, which is really good because it means that our students get to participate in research, investigating, evaluating all other alternative explanations, and really just getting involved in what psychology is all about.
So why should you take A-level psychology? Well, we plan interactive and engaging lessons with lots of different activities where you get involved with discussions and group work. You get to plan and conduct your own psychological research where you're out in the real world, conducting experiments and analysing your results. You'll learn loads about yourself, your family, your friends, the world around you, and you might start seeing people in a different way. You develop lots of really important skills that will help you in your future, like analysis. And because we don't have any one answer to any of these behaviours, you'll get really used to weighing up different evidence and different explanations and making a balanced judgment. It also opens up a really wide range of careers, things specific to psychology like counselling or forensic psychology where you work with the police or offenders, or clinical psychology where you work with people with mental health problems, or more broader careers like marketing or business or health.
At Rugby High School, we study the Edexcel exam board, so the topics that we cover are social psychology, cognitive psychology, biological psychology, learning theories, issues and debates, clinical psychology and criminal psychology. In social psychology, you might learn about why people obey authority figures, and in cognitive psychology, we get to learn lots about memory, why we forget things, and more importantly, how can we remember more, which is really useful as a student. One of our popular topics are criminal psychology, where we learn about what might cause somebody to commit a crime.
So if any of that sounds interesting to you and it's piqued your interest, then we really look forward to seeing you in Year 12. And now we're going to go to some of our lovely Year 13 students to answer some questions.
Hi, I'm Vicky.
And I'm Leela.
And we're going to answer some questions about psychology. Okay, right. What do you enjoy most about psychology?
I enjoy that it's a mix of science and like theory, writing down. And I also enjoy the discussions in class and the debates.
Yeah, and I like how there's so many different explanations for each thing, so it's kind of really broad and you can like chip in your ideas as well.
Do you think psychology will be used in your future?
I think it will. There's so many skills within it, application, evaluation, things like that, so I think it's going to be really useful.
Yeah, the structures of our essays are really useful for all subjects, and I'm carrying on at uni, and I think that'll be very useful for my future.
Yeah. What are psychology lessons like?
They're very interactive.
Yeah, definitely quite like team-based, a lot of...
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there are like a range of lots of activities how we learn, so like some lessons will do a storyboard and some will do it.
Some will be note-taken,
yeah.
But it'll vary.
Yeah, it's very varied each lesson. What advice do you give to a Year 11 considering taking psychology A-level?
I'd say definitely keep on top of it because it is quite a lot of content. But once you get it, you get it. And just make sure you get it the first time.
Yeah, if you don't understand something, it's so easy to ask one of your students or teacher. And when you get it, then you'll understand it for the rest.